Hi guys, I'm Zoe and I want to show you a new game I got.
You can find it in Lidl shops,
Yes?
and Zoe is ready to unbox it.
Oh, yes I am. He's always ready to rip in at you, mate. Grinch
Yeah,
Topple Tower. It's a classic game. Oh, this is the nice one. Maybe get that out. We all know how to play this, I would think.
yeah.
It's got a nice twist in it. The game is supposed to be don't let the Grinch fall. Well, he's falling.
Yeah.
So
You can have fun and enjoy the game. Very nice, and you might get it today.
yes.
So if you get it in a
I'm showing you how.
shop, yeah. So the challenge is to keep the tower with as less bricks as possible and stay up.
Yes.
All
So
right.
simple, so nice. Very fun.
Yeah. Strategy.
It is strategy.
And I think, I don't know if it is on the rules, but I think if you use a number sequence or something, I don't know where is it, I lost it.
Oh yeah, we had a.
You can put a challenge. There it is.
There it is.
So if you use and say remove 2, it's gonna be more challenging.
Yes, it will.
Yeah, but this is it.
I'm just demonstrating how hard it can become. That is so close. It's a game for steady hands. Oh, maybe not.
You have to demonstrate how you destroy it.
Yes, I do. Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
How you destroy it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's still standing.
Yeah, you see? Instant fun. So I'm removing. And because we don't want to give you more,
I think we have to.
I'm gonna do a wrong move just to show you guys.
Just to show you how it's done.
So, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. And have some fun this Christmas.
It's a lovely game.
With Grinch.
Yes. See ya.